Greetings, cold wine drinkers. You live in an RV, find out that your RV fridge dies, say, that's all right, I'll just go to, Lippert and I'll get a new RV fridge. And what's that going to run me? How much going to be? $600? They're $2,000, right? So what do you do instead? You go to Home Depot and you get yourself one of those. And what you do is you make a little trim work and you slot it right in there. You fix it with some angle iron and some high bond tape, and shazam, you're rocking with docking.